Good afternoon, children. We are learning exercise 4.1. So that is B main. Find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. So B main, find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the common factors. Common factors of pairs are given. Pair means taking any two object. Okay, so here given two numbers. So first one it is 32 and 68. 32 and 68. So first solution 32. So what are the factors of 32? Factors of 32. So factors of 32 can be divided by 1 ones, it can be divided by 2 ones because it is even number. By 3 ones not possible. Sum of the digits, it is not possible. 3 plus 2 not possible. Okay. 3 ones are not, 4 ones are. Yes, 4 ones are 4, 7 are 28, 4, 5 not, 6 no, 7 no, 8 yes, 8 4s are 72, 8 4s are 32, then 16 and finally it can be divided by 32. So 32 is divided by 1 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 4 1 ja, by 8 1 ja, 16 1 ja and 32. So next factors of 68. So by 1 every number can be divided by 1 1 ja. So it is 1 1 ja. So it is even number. 68 is even number. So all even numbers are divided by 2 1 ja. By 3 1 ja sum of the digits. We have to say sum of the digits. By 3 1 ja 6 plus 8 it is 14. No, 3 1 ja not possible. Okay. 4 1 ja last two digits. We have to see the last two digits. So 6 and 8. Yes, it is possible. 68. Okay. 4 1 ja. 5 1 ja no. 6 1 ja no, because it not divided by 3 1 ja. 7 not, 8 not, 9 not, 10 not, 11 not, 12 no, 13 no, 14 no, 15 no, 16 no, 17 yes, 17 ones are. Next 17 twos are. Okay, how much it is? By 34 and finally it can be divided by 68. Okay, 68 is dividing by 2 1 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 4 1 ja, 17 1 ja, 34 1 ja and 68 1 ja. So what are the commons in these two factors? Factors of 32 and factors of 68. So we are seeing the common 1 in both, 2 in both and 4 in both. Then okay, 1, 2 and 4 only. Therefore common factors of 34 and 68 are. So which are those? Those are 1, 2 and 4. So its answer is 1, 2 and 4. So these are called the common factors. Common factors means, so which are the factors commonly we can see in both. So we are seeing 1 in both, 2 in both and 4 is in both. So these are the common factors. So second one, second one. it is 92 and 28. 92 and 28. So 92 factors of 92. Okay. So every number can be divided by 1 1 It is even. Even numbers can be divided by 2 1 by 3 1 not possible, because sum of the 9 and 2 is not equals to it is not in a 3 table. Okay, 9 plus 2 11. It is not possible by 3 1 by 4 1 yes. 4 2 8 and 1 remains 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. 4 2 8 and 1 remains 4 3 is 12. By 4 1 yes. 5 1 no. By 5 1 last digit should be 0 and 5. Then only it can divide. So 5 1 not. 6 1 not possible, because the number is not divided by 3 1 7 by 7 1 7 1 also not possible. 8 1 also not possible. 9 1 also not possible. 10 no, 11 no, 12 no, 13 14 15 16 by 23 1 23 4 92. It is 92 into 23 4 4 2 3 4 12, carry 1, 4 2 8 1 92. So 92 it is possible by 23. Then it is possible by 23 4 2 23 2 it is 46 correct. Then finally it can be divided by 92 divided by only by 92 1 So these all are the factors of 92. So then what are the factors of 28? So 28. So it is even number. It can be divided by 1 1 and it can be divided by 1 1 and even it can be divided by 2 1 also. 3 1 not possible. 4 1 yes. 4 7 28. Then 5 not 7. 7 4 28. Next 14. 14 4 17. 14 2 28. And finally it can be divided by 28. So what are the common factors? Therefore common factors equals to, so common factors 1 2 and 4. No, so no. Okay, only we are seeing common factors 1 2 and 4. So answer is common factors of 92 and 22 are, it is 1 2 and 4. So other two are there, third and fourth. They are for homework. Okay, other two are there, those for homework. Third one and fourth one. These two for homework. That is 48 and 56. Second one 72 and 84. These two for homework. On this question, find the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. Okay, that is 48 and 56, 72 and 84. So next, third way. Find the two common multiples of the following pairs. Okay, find the two common multiples of the pairs. That is C question. Find the two multiples of common multiples of the following pair of numbers. So like that only, like the second question also, we found out the common factors. Now we have to find out the common multiples. So first one is 21 and 14. So multiples of 21. So what are the multiples of 21? So multiple means we have to multiply the numbers, okay, by 1 1 21 1 21 2 21 3 21 4 21 5 21 6. So what can you get? 21 1 21, 21 2 42, 21 3 63, 21 4 84, 21 5 105, 21 6 126. So multiples of 14. So what are the multiples of 14? 14 1 14, 14 2 22, 14 2 3 14 4 14 5 and 14 6. So it is 41 1 14, 41 2 14 2 28, 14 3 42, 41 4 64, 56, 14 5 70, 14 6. So what are the common factors? Therefore, common multiples of 21 and 14 are equals to, so 21 is not common, 42 and 42 common. The next 63 56 no common, this one also no, and 84 we are seeing 84 and 84. So common what are 42 and 84. So its answer is 42 and 84. These two are common multiples, 42 and 84. So next question 19 and 38. So second one 19 and 38, multiple of 19. So 19 1 19, 2 19, 3 19, 4 19, 5. So 19 1 19, 19 2 38, 19 3 57. 19, 19 4 जा 76, 19 5 जा 95. Okay, then multiples of 38. So what are the multiples of 38? 38 1 जा 38 2 जा 38 3 जा 38 4 जा 38 5 जा. So 38 1 जा 38, 38 2 जा 2 8 जा 16 to 6 carry 1, 3 2 जा 6 1 76 by 3 जा 3 6 जा 3 8 जा 24 carry 2 3 3 जा 9 9 1 9 2 3 8 जा 24 carry 2 3 3 जा 9 10 11. Okay, 3 8 जा 32 carry 3 3 4 जा 12 12 3 15 5 8 जा 40 42 0 carry 4 4 5 3 जा 15 15 3 5 19. So in these two what are we seeing commons? So 19 is not there, 38 and 38 both are common, and 76 both are common. Therefore common multiples of 19 and 38 equals to how much? 38 and 76. Answer 38 and 76. Okay, next circle even numbers and underline the odd numbers. So here some numbers are given. Okay, so in third main there are another two problems are there. So those two for homework on C main. On this main question there are other two problems, another two. So that is 32 third main, 32 48 fourth main, 26 52. These two for homework. Okay, on C main question, that is find the common multiples. So next fourth main, circle the circle even numbers and underline odd numbers. So here numbers are given in question only: 45, 66, 87, 89, 90, 21, 14, 35, 26, 38, 42, 23, 55, 67, 81, 94, 86, 100, 34 and 57. So what is question? Circle even numbers. We have to circle the even numbers and underline the odd numbers. Circle the even numbers and underline the odd numbers. So here given numbers. So which are even numbers, we have to round it or circle it. Then which are the odd numbers, we have to underline the numbers. So 45. So last digit is 5. It is odd number. Odd number is odd number. Okay. So we have to underline. So 66. Last digit is 6. So it is even. So it means we have to circle this. Then 87 or 89 or 90 even, because even is even numbers, last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And odd numbers, last digit so this last digit should be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Okay, so last digit 1, so it means it is odd. So last digit 4, it is even. Last digit is 5, it is odd. So last digit 6, it is even. Last digit 8, even. Last digit 2, even. Last digit 3, odd. Last digit 5, odd. Last digit 7, odd. Last digit 1, odd. Last digit even. Last digit 6, even. Last digit 0, even. Last digit 4, even. Last digit 7, odd. Okay. So this D question. Next E question. Identify the prime and composite numbers. Identify the prime and composite numbers. So first one, 67, 87, 98, 100, 23, 15, 17, 29, 35, 47, 66, 61, 11, 71, 39, 42, 57, 88, 89, 37. So these numbers are given. So what we have to make? We have to find out the prime numbers and composite number. So prime number means the number divided only one and itself, and composite number, the number having more than two factors. This number having only one factor. So prime numbers, and here composite numbers. So 67, it is odd, it not divided by 2 ones. Sum of the all digits 6 and 7, it will get 13. So it is not divided by, it will not divide by any number. It can divide by 1 and itself. So 1 and 67. So it means it is prime. So 87, 87 is divided by 3 because sum of the 8 and 7 it will get 15. So it means it can divide by 3 ones are. So 87 is composite. So mention in this composite. In composite. So 98 even all even numbers divided by 2 ones are. So it means it is also even number. 100. So last digit 0. It is even. 23 it is composite. Prime number, sorry. 23 is prime number. 15, so it can be divided by 5 ones and 3 ones because sum of 1 and 5 it will get 6. 6 can be divided by 3 ones. Okay, so it is composite. 17 is not dividing by any number or it having only 2 factors 1 and 17. So 21 also it having only 2 factors. So which 1 and 29. 35. So 35 it can divided by 5 also because last digit is 5. So it is composite number. 47. 47 sum of digit 4 and 7. So it is getting 11. So it is not possible by 2 ones or 3 ones. So it means it is not dividing by 2 ones and 3 ones. It means it is not divided by any numbers. I am not saying it is not dividing by other numbers. Okay, if the number not divides 2 and 3, I am not saying it not divided by other numbers. So 49 it is not dividing any number. So it is prime number. 66, yes it is even number. Not divided, it is divided by 2. It means 6. 61 it is prime number. 11 prime number. 71 prime number. 39 it can be divided by 3 ones. 3 plus 9 12. So it means it can be divided by 3 ones. It is composite. 42 composite. 57 composite because 5 plus 7 12. It will divide by 3 ones. 88 divided by 88 is composite. 89, so it is prime. And 37 also prime. Okay. So next F question. Which of the following pairs of number are co-primes? F question. Which of the following pairs of numbers are co-prime? Okay, so first one 12 and 15. So 12 and 15 is co-prime or not? So how can you decide the 12 and 15 are co-prime? So by checking the factors of 12 and 15. Okay, what is co-prime? Co-prime means the common factor should be only one. The common co-prime means, so I am writing here co-prime. Co-prime means common factor should be 1. Okay, then only we can decide the common factor. The numbers are co-primes. Okay, so first of all, solid. So 12 factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? It can be divided by 1 and it can be divided by 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. And what are the factors of 15? What are the factors of 15? It can be divided by 1, it can be divided by 3, it can be divided by 5, 5 3 is 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 15. So therefore, common factors. 12 and 15. So what are the common factors? 1, 3. So common factors are 1 and 3. Therefore, 12 and 15 are not co-primes. So these are not co-prime. 12 and 15 are not co-prime because we are not getting common factor 1. So for deciding the common co-prime numbers, that should be common factor should be 1. So it is getting common factors, two common factors 1 and 3. So it is not a co-prime. So next, second one. (34) and 23. That's 34. So 34 it can be divided by 1 1 ja, it can be divided 2 1 ja because it is even number. Then 2 3 4 2 3 not 4 not 5 not 6 not 7 not 17. 17 to the 34. Then finally it can be divided by 34. So what are factors of 23? So it can be divided by 1 1 ja, it is not by 2 1 ja, 3 1 ja not. So it is prime number. Okay. Therefore, common factors of 34 and 23. So what are common factors of 34 and 23? It is 1. Therefore, 34 and 23 are co-prime. Okay. So because it is getting how much common factor 1? It is getting common factor 1. So it is co-prime. So on this, okay, other two are there. On that F question only, F main question only, there are other two, those for common. So that is third one, 65 and 89. Fourth one, 45 and 86. These two for common. Okay. Thank you, students. So remaining G and F we should solve in a next class. Bye.